To create appointment slots on your calendar, you have to do one thing a little differently than you do in just creating a regular event on your calendar. So I've got my calendar open, and normally I would come over here to this create button and create my event. But to create appointment slots, you actually have to click on a date and select the time over here in this portion of the calendar. So I'm going to show you how to set up some appointment slots from 1 to 4 p.m. On today's date. So if I click here at 1 p.m. on today's date, I get this box that pops up, and here's where the appointment slot is. I'm going to click on appointment slots, and I'll say post conferences. This could be your scheduled observations, whatever. It's going to create it on the Michelle Harris calendar, and obviously you've probably got many. And down here you can decide how you want this time period split up to be. I'm going to do 30 minutes, but obviously you know the amount of time that you would need to set yours for. And then I'm going to click create, and you can see that it created the event right here. Now, I only created it from 1 to 2, but I wanted it to go from 1 to 4. So if I hover over this, you can see these two lines pop up, and I can just drag this down to fill in the rest of the time that I want. And I can see that there are 30-minute post conferences with this within this window. In order to share that calendar, then we need to click on that time frame and edit the details, and you've got a nice step-by-step that walks through sharing the appointment page now that you've done it. But this is the link that people would need to have in order to actually book appointments in your calendar. And then once somebody signs up for that post conference, that would just appear in my calendar as a regular event. You should be able to add those people right here in the guests section, or you can copy and paste this link to into an email that you send to everybody. I hope that was helpful.